Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my second video ever. So I like to thank you guys for welcome. Anyways, this is so freaking hard. But anyways, I like to welcome you guys back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. But since I did receive my Morphe Me palette, or Morphe Liveglam palette, and my BOXYCHARM, I thought I'd do an unboxing. So let's go ahead and start off with this. I already ripped this thing off. Pardon me. Alright, so we get 3 brushes. This is from the Elite collection. I can already tell you that I don't even have to like take a look at what we got. I can already tell you that I love every single one of them. I have every brush that I've gotten from this not only brand but this style from the Elite collection. So I get the E23, the E61, and then E34. So you get all 3 of these, which it says it retails for up to $30. I got this for 20 bucks. So yes, I love these brushes. I would say I try them on, but no. I would say this, look, this just looks just like the M501 brush, so I can definitely see myself using a highlighter for this. And then this would be a blending brush, and this would be either a powder brush or a contour brush. Alright, so this is a yes, I like that. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the BOXYCHARM. I have not opened it, I just did like open some of that. Alright, so BOXYCHARM, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. This month's theme is Galaxy Glow. And what I like about it, it comes with everything that comes with it. It's got the name and what it retails for. I can already tell you guys that I was freaking excited to get this. For some reason, I thought this was a highlighter, but it's not. It says, this is the Cover FX Shimmering Veil. It's a multi-use shimmering cream colors that they're crease proof. You can use them for your eyes, and it's all formulated weightlessly shimmering. You can put it anywhere in your face and suitable for all skin types. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply this right here. The color it comes in, I don't even know the name of the color. This retails for $28. Alright, so it looks just like that. Let me go ahead and give you a good presentation like that. Am I the only person that like freaking smells everything? Alright, so let's go ahead and swatch it. Yes, hunty. You see that? Alright, sorry about that. I had to highlight on here. So let's go ahead and apply it right here. And my collarbone. I always like to do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and blend it out. Ooh, it feels very smooth and blendable. So it's a yes, I can see myself using this again. I love everything from Cover FX, or everything that I've gotten so far. Alright, so I do see we got more brushes. Holy shit. This is from the brand Crown brushes, the 3-piece. This is that this retails for $29.99. So it's a contour brush, a shadow brush, and a powder brush. I'm not even gonna open them. They're super cute. They're literally look almost identical to the Wet n Wild one. Sorry, mine's all dirty, but I'm just gonna keep them in the bag because I'm not gonna use them right now. And then this is from the brand Sugar and Lemon. Moisturizing. It's a lip buffer. So I'm assuming this is an exfoliator. Let's see how it looks. Or hopefully I can open it. This one retails for $24. If I can open it. It's huge. Like a huge packaging. That's what she said. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so it comes with this. Let me go ahead and smell this, because if it smells like lemon, it's supposed to smell good. Oh my god, it smells so good. It reminds me of a lemon head. I'm looking forward to trying this bad boy out. Just by the packaging, I haven't read anything. I'm hoping that this is organic, or I don't know, vegan, or however you guys call it. This is a pencil brush from the brand Jessica Liebeskin. Jessica Liebeskin is the creator, but it's from the brand Vintage. We've gotten some stuff. Oh my god, this is so smooth. It's black. Once you go black, you stay black. Because this is perfect. Like it. Oh, and then that one retails for 21 bucks. Then look at this. Yes, it's very holographic. This is from the brand Naked Cosmetics. This reminds me of the Aurora palette from Anastasia. It's super pretty. This is an up close. Hope you guys like this freaking video, and I'm not even gonna edit anything. All right, so you guys are just gonna get mine. So this is, let me go ahead and just grab the top row. Okay. All right, so I'm running out of space. This is one. Oh, that one's really good. And then this is. All right, so this lighting that I have here does not, let me take off my watch because it's taking up too much thing. It gives it no justice because it looks so much brighter in person than it does in this lighting. Next time I should think about lighting, right? Or get, all right, so let's go ahead and swatch these three bottom ones. We're gonna go ahead and use my pinky, my thumb, and my pointing finger. So we're gonna go ahead and do one of the swatches here. Ooh, this one's so pretty, look. It's super pigmented. Which one is it? Oh, so this is my pinky. Oh, hopefully I can do it right there. Yes! Okay, these are much better swatches, or they show up more. Okay, I love this one. I would say I like them all. I can see myself using this. Can't wait to use this on my clients. All right, so that one retails for $39.99. So overall, so 40 plus 30, 70, 91, 115. So 145 or 135 or 145. You paid $21 for this box and you get $145 worth of makeup. I say yes, definitely. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do a video with using most of the products that I received this month or any of the ones that I've received within the past year. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe either to the Morphe or the BOXYCHARM, I'm gonna go ahead and leave my little link down below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye. Adios, o sea.